2003 Mercury Marauder. This is the A package. This is fully loaded. Every available option. Clean car, some paint work, good looking tires. We sell and we ship worldwide. We finance nationwide. Please visit our website for more information on that. So scroll down in this video, there's a link to the website in the description. It's absolutely stock, no modifications of any kind. Name of the company right there, phone number and website. It is in great shape. Interior is, as I said, everything is original. In excellent shape. Hardly any wear on the driver's seat. Steering wheel is clean. Just extremely well kept car. Same thing with the back seat. Car has 132,000 miles. Low miles for the year. Famous 4.6 all aluminum, dual overhead cam. And great. Thanks for watching.